In this video, I'm going to share some seriously important safety tips when working with concrete so you don't end up in trouble or hurt while doing your project. Concrete might look simple, but it's actually kind of tough on your body and skin if you don't handle it right, so you want to be smart about how you protect yourself and work safely. Alright, first off, always wear the right protective gear, like gloves, boots, and long sleeves, because concrete can burn your skin like acid if it sits too long. Don't forget goggles too, since splashes can mess up your eyes big time. When you're mixing concrete, be careful with the powders and chemicals. Try to do it outside or somewhere with good airflow so you don't breathe in all that dust. If you're handling wet concrete, wash off any spots that touch your skin as soon as possible to avoid rashes or burns. Also, keep hydrated and take breaks in the shade if you're working in hot weather, because heat stress sneaks up on you fast when you're sweating and working hard. Use a hat or bandana to protect your head from sunburn, and try to wear light-colored, loose clothing to stay cooler. If you're lifting heavy bags of cement or moving wheelbarrows, bend your knees and keep your back straight to avoid injuries. And finally, have a first aid kit nearby just in case someone gets a little scrape or irritation so you can deal with it quickly. One of the biggest mistakes people make is skipping the gloves or just using cheap ones that don't really protect against concrete burns. Always get proper work gloves that are thick and waterproof. Another common issue is ignoring ventilation when mixing cement indoors, which can cause breathing problems. So always open windows or use a fan if you've got to work inside. And third, not taking breaks or drinking enough water when it's hot outside can cause heat exhaustion, which is no joke, so pace yourself and keep sipping water throughout the day. BigHomeProjects.com is a cool site that hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors find more work by connecting them with people who need help on their home projects, making it easier for everyone to team up and finish projects safely and smoothly.